Welcome everybody, sitting here, sitting again. Let's see our topic for today. So today we're gonna learn days of week and months. Let's do this. Monday. Could you repeat please? Pretty good. Again, Monday. Very nice. One more time. Monday. Very nice. Next day. Tuesday. Can you repeat please? Really nice. Again, Tuesday. Really good. One more time. Tuesday. Very fine. Next day. Wednesday. Well done. Again. Wednesday. Very well. One more time. Wednesday. Amazing. Next day. Thursday. Perfect. Again. Thursday. Great. One more time. Thursday. Fantastic. Next day. Friday. Awesome. Again. Friday. Fabulous. One more time. Friday. Incredible. Next day. Saturday. Wonderful. Again. Saturday. Excellent. One more time. Saturday. Terrific. The last day. Sunday. Good job. Again. Sunday. Very good. One more time. Sunday. Pretty well. Let's begin with month's topic. January. Could you repeat? Fabulous. Again. January. Really nice. One more time. January. Great. Next month. February. Can you repeat, please? Excellent. Again. February. Well done. One more time. February. Very well. Next month. March. Terrific. Again. March. Incredible. One more time. March. Amazing. Next month. April. Awesome. Again. April. Good job. One more time. April. Very fine. Next month. May. Wonderful. Again. May. Perfect. One more time. May. Pretty good. Next month. June. Pretty well. Again. June. Fantastic. One more time. June. Really good. Next month. July. Very good. Again. July. Very nice. One more time. July. Really good. Next month. August. Very nice. Again. August. Fantastic. One more time. August. Fabulous. Next month. September. Perfect. Again. September. Really nice. One more time. September. Incredible. Next month. October. Wonderful. Again. October. Very well done. One more time. October. Awesome. Next month. November. Good job. Again. November. Sounds good. One more time. November. Pretty well. Last month. December. Terrific. Again, December. Very nice. One more time. December. So wonderful. Let's get started with our song.
Monday, Tuesday, clap your hands. Wednesday, Thursday, take a stand. Friday's fun, we smile and play. Saturday, Sunday, shout hooray. 7 days are in the week. Let's say them loud, not very meek. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Learning days is such a treat. Every day we sing and play. Now the months are on their way. January, February, March, March, April,
May, June, July, so cheerful.
August, September, October too. November, December, how about you? Months in every year. Let's say them all with a cheer. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now you know the days and months. Say them loud and do a dance. Time to sing and learn again with Silly, your English friend.
So I think that's it. Thank you so much for listening and watching my video. Bye bye.